International Journal of Materials Forming and Machining Processes is now available and is a referred journal that publishes high-quality articles with an emphasis on research and development in forming materials and machining processes. This publication covers topics such as high-efficiency machining, extrusion and drawing, forming and shaping, and many more. Ideally for academics, researchers, engineers, and professionals in industries related to forming materials and machining processes. Suitable for use in your course syllabus and as an integral resource for research advancements within your department, the International Journal of Materials Forming and Machining Processes should be included within your institution's library along with these related publications.
Offered in print, e-journal, print plus e-journal, and as part of IGI Global's InfoSci journals, this publication is available for purchase directly through IGI Global's online bookstore, as well as many other major journal distributors and platforms, such as EBSCOhost, Best in Trading Company, LM Information, and many more. Recommend to your librarian today.